Hi everyone, I'm Apeksha and today I'm going to be talking about a very helpful app called Notes. I'm sure you all know what Notes is, and today I'm going to explain why it's such a helpful app. Notes is extremely helpful because it helps you record important or any kind of data even if your device is offline. It has an immense amount of properties and tools to organize your data in any way you like. A few of the properties are the basic ones. Notes has a lot of options to edit your text, whether you want it to be a heading, subheading, body, etc. You can even make your text bold, italic, underline, or striped. Notes also lets you add bullet points or even number your text in order to make checklists. It gives options to take photos, videos, and also lets you scan documents. Notes also has a drawing option where you can choose different brushes, colors, or tools to draw, so you can sketch out ideas if you don't want to type it out. It also lets you erase them out. Notes gives you the freedom to make as many notes as you would like. You can also make folders and name them. While Notes has a specific folder called Recently Deleted, where if you delete something important by mistake, you can access that note in the recently deleted folder. You can even share your notes to anyone and also copy and paste information on a note. Now here's an interesting feature in Notes that I really like. If a note has private information that you wouldn't want people to see if they open your notes, there's an option to lock it. You can lock the note and keep a password so that only you can access it. Overall, Notes is a really wonderful app and it helps us capture a quick thought immediately. So I hope you enjoyed learning about the wonderful features it has to offer. Thank you.